Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can edit real superstars in WWE 2K26. It's pretty easy. All you have to do, just go to options and select roster. Go to edit superstars and choose the superstar who you would like to edit. In my case, let's say that's John Cena. So I just need to select John Cena from here. And if we scroll, we'll able to see options like attributes, attires, AI attributes. All these things are changeable, and apart from this there are some settings which cannot be changed. So if we go to attributes, we'll able to make arm power up to 95, leg power up to 95. All these things can be, as I said, changeable. So just once you're happy with the changes, select accept. Underneath of attributes there is option for attires. From here you'll able to change the attire of John Cena. You can change the AI attributes, payback, then we can change finishers, super finisher, and we have the option for personality traits. Like here you can make John Cena egoistical, desperate, bold, loyal, whatever that is. You can able to change that from here. You can change the crowd balance, like you can make people boo John Cena or cheer him, or you can also set it to mix. You'll able to add allies, as well as you can add enemies or change enemies of John Cena. If you scroll, we'll able to see the option for entrance as well. Then you can change the victory motion. All these things are completely editable for the real player. Once you're happy with the changes, just select save, and that way you'll able to edit real players in WWE 2K26. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.